Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We have now got stage 57 of Hero Collector and Eaglemoss's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so this is just continuing on from yesterday where we started the jump seat. Today we continue the jump seat, finish it and install it into the cargo area. So let me show you what we're doing. So there you are, that's the top part of the jump seat. Should be really easy to assemble. We've done it before, so let me get to that part. So all we're going to do is make sure the sponge is in there, keep that part on there with some more MP screws, and that's going to have a backing on it this time, and that's going to be secured down with EP screws. That is then going to get secured onto the part that we made yesterday, this one here. And then we can just go ahead and we're going to be fitting that to the actual cargo area just down here with some IP screws. And that will be this issue complete. So again, this one shouldn't really take too long to do. So yeah, let's just jump straight in, get the parts out and start building. To start off with, we're going to have this part here. You may find that your sponge part is already in there. So that's part one already done for you. So you only need to take this black piece here, which is the backing. Make sure you get all these tabs over, just like so. Get that all the way over. And then 4 MP screws are going in these 4 holes here. So let's secure this down. Number 1. Number 2. Go to the opposite side now. And the very last one, just this side here. And there we are, that is that part made up. Now we just have to add the backing onto this. So this is just going to clip onto here. As you can see, we've got 2 different sides. We've got this side which is smooth, and this side we've got the 4 raised points. It's the 4 raised points you want facing out. So get that locked into that, and it will clamp it around the sides here as well. So you know you've got it on right. There we are. And then we're going to want 4 EP screws in these 4 holes here. So let's get these ones on. Number 1. Number 2. Do make these chairs really easy to assemble, which is good. They do sit really nice as well. Last one now. And there we are. That's what you should have up to this point. Now we can bring back the part we made yesterday, looking just like that, and we can take this part, and this is just going to go down onto these 2 holes just here. The hole here and here. That's just going to locate over the top of them, and from the underside we can secure that down with 2 more EP screws. So I'm going to get my EP screw ready first. Line that up. It can be quite hard to see if you've got it lined up, but I think that is bang on. Just there. Let's get this one in. That'll help us hold it. Yeah, that's that one in. Do exactly the same with the opposite side. So I'm just going in here. So they're nice and tight. And there we are. We've got our second jump seat all assembled and ready to go in the cargo area. So let's bring the cargo area down and get this installed. Right, so we've got our cargo area in, and this is where we're going, directly opposite where the other jump seat is here. We're going just here. So we do have the 3 raised peg points. They're going to line up with them 3 on there. So we can line them up, get them in, just like so. We can flip this over, and we can secure this down with 3 IP screws. So let's turn that over. We're just going in these 3 holes, just here, here, and here. So let's get one in first. It should hold it on for us so we're not doing it sort of one-handed. That's that on now, so we can go and let go of that. Get the last 2 screws in. that one. The very last one. Secure that one down. And there we are. So if we flip this back over now, we shall see we've got our second jump seat all installed just on there. That is looking really, really cool so far. Really liking the little seats that they've got in here. They look awesome. So coming up next time, in stage 58, we get the power control unit and power distribution unit base. So yeah, that's what's coming up next time. We'll probably save this one for next week, as I'm going to start working on the Terminator. So I'm going to have an issue of the Terminator out tomorrow, and then probably one on Friday as well. So this one will be coming up probably Monday. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to subscribe, because we're getting very, very close to 1,000 subscribers now, which is awesome. It'd be great to hit that in the next few weeks. So if we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll probably add that extra build onto the channel, do something a little bit special, something a little different, that bit different to all the other models we've got here. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.